Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a DIY project on this old beat up table that I have. I will be using the paper adhesive cover paper from the Dollar Tree. So stay tuned to this video. So first you're going to wipe the table down with a wet cloth just to remove any dirt or dust that might be on the table. So you're going to grab a pair of scissors and also your adhesive paper, and you are going to measure out the length of the table, and then you're going to cut it at the length in which you want it. And for this size table, I ended up using two sheets of adhesive paper. So it's two rolls of the adhesive paper that I bought in order to cover this size table. And right here, I was trying my hardest to smooth it out so that there wouldn't be any creases in it. So this was giving me a hard time just to get it, smooth out so that there wouldn't be any creases once it's done. So this cute little DIY table, I use it in my office for my printer and also to put books on. So yeah, so instead of throwing it out, I just revamped it and used it in my office. Thank you for watching my video, you guys.